Welcome back everybody. This is Shahzaib Kamal from Podina Tutorials.com and we're learning the Angular 4. Welcome back everybody. So guys, we just talked about the binding, the data binding. Let's just talk about the binding through the events. So for the events, firstly we just need to know the events, what the events we can use. So if you just know some basic events, if I just go there to this area, if you remember some basic JavaScript events, I just want to show you for now. If I just put something space on click, so this is a JavaScript method. Just suppose you're just putting on click, I just want to run my func. So this is the basic JavaScript method, or the actually not the JavaScript method but this is the event. This thing is actually called the web event, okay? But when you're just talking about the Angular, there is a little things has been updated. I'm just gonna work on the updated part. So let's just delete all them. And how it's updated, instead of on click, just noted this thing, I just want to make it like that, line break space on click, okay, is now is now the parentheses and click. Now if you just notice, everything is same, but they just removed the on prefix has been removed, and now it became the click but with the parentheses. In the same way, the on mouse enter became parentheses and only mouse enter in the same way. Now I just want to show you some other events. If you just go there, so you can notice that things mouse enter. Now just notice the web address, the developer.mozilla.org/en/en-us/docs/web/events, or you can just simply Google HTML DOM events. So now mouse enter, mouse over, mouse move, mouse down, mouse up, ox click. Just notice these properties, what they just work. These are really simple, and probably you're using these elements but maybe with the on prefix. So you can see that the click, double click, wheel, mouse leave, mouse out, okay. And well, the mouse out and mouse leave, we just use the mouse enter and mouse down, mouse enter and mouse over, and mouse move, mouse down, mouse up, mouse leave, okay, mouse enter, and there is a mouse leave. I was just searching for this one, by the way. So, or mouse out, we normally don't use the mouse out because there is a little difference between the mouse enter and mouse leave. This one is actually a kind of new than if you just talk about the mouse out one, mouse over and mouse out one, okay. But we now use the mouse enter, but you can use all of them. We just need to remove the on prefix, select the pointer in etc. If we just go more down the dragging events, and then more down the media events like imp, tide, play, etc., there are thousands of events you can see, maybe hundreds. So by the way, there is a keyboard event, or the copyright clipboard events, the view events, the text events, printing events, also form events like reset and submit. Yeah, these are the events. Mean when this will work when we're just submitting something from the form, or we just want to reset the form. So, or the reset button pressed, then why should be visible. This one will work. The CSS transition, CSS animation, the different kind of, you can just find this out. I just found out what we just need that, and this is there, the keyboards and the mouse ones. So let's just work on it for now. I'm just going there, and I just want to work on the component, the content component still. So what I'm just doing for now, or what I just plan to do, I'm just going there to the content para, or to this whole area, and I'm just adding in space and just putting click, on click, what I just want, on click. Now equal to, now the method is actually, you can see that pretty same, like it just working like a attribute, but it's an event, and now I'm just going to put the value in it. Now time to mention the function. We just didn't make the function yet, but I'm just going to make one for now, or you can say method, whatever they prefer, you just prefer. I'm just putting something like my func, or my method, whatever you just want to say, new event, or sorry, event func. Okay, now parentheses. Now if you just want to put some kind of parameter you just want to send, you just can put the value, you just can put the parameter name here. Now I just don't want to send anything like that, so I'm just going to the TS area of this content component, and where it is, there is the TS of the content component, so let's just make it there. Okay, now what more I just want to do for now is something like here in this area inside the export class, the content component, I'm just making the function. What was the name? I just need to check that out again. The name was event func. Okay, event func. Event, yeah, spelling must be clear. So now there we are allowed to put any value, and what I'm just putting, I'm just simply cutting this off, the class property, and just putting that here. Okay, let's just update it back. I actually need to put that here and have to update this a little bit. I'm just calling this dot. Okay, now what this is what I'm just talking. You can see that there is no this, because in this class, when we are just inside the class, we just can use the this keyword. I'm just going there and I'm just making this class property. First of all, I'm just declaring it only property. Okay, now just declared it. Now actually this one is here. Now just go to the browser and refresh that up, and you can see that actually you can see that there is no color, but when I just click it, I got the color. What is the meaning? Go back to there. I'm just telling that whenever you can see that here, there is a property named class property. Okay, and there is an event named class event func. Event method is more good because it's actually a method. Okay, so whenever I just click on this this div, then what happened? And this event works, the click event, and in this way this method works. And what is this? In this method, there is a thing like we just declared a variable outside of this function named class property, and now we are just calling that one here inside it. This dot class property equal to content background. So we're just giving the value for the class property, and now all things working on are fine. That here we're just getting the value for this class from the binding. So now we're just getting this too. So I think that is pretty simple, and now you simply can move on to the next step. And also you also can use some more techniques. If I just go there and I just apply a kind of mouse inner, save it. Now go to the browser, and you will notice when I just hover the mouse, it comes. Refresh that, and I just hover the mouse, it just comes. And now I'm just going back. So now if you just learned about these techniques, why not you just learn some more advanced and tricky things? Let's just have some fun. Only proceed if you just know and completely understand why I just put it and how I did that. Using the events in event binding, how I just put the value here. This is really simple, but you just need to learn. You just need to understand. If you just don't know, if you just understood this, I'm just proceeding to the next thing. Here, you know that I just put the mouse inner, so when I just enter the mouse, it just gets some color, and I'm just making the mouse leave function. Okay, mouse leave event, and here I'm just typing event leave func. Okay, and I'm just going there and I'm just typing something like event enter func. Okay, that's cool. And I'm just going to the content.component.ts, and I'm just changing the things here. Event inner function and event leave func. Okay, that's cool. Again, this dot class property equal to content background. Okay, so that's cool, but content background 2. This is another content, the background I just given to it. The content background 2. There is no content background for now. I'm just going there and I'm just making the new one, content background 2, and there I'm just putting a kind of a background. So let's just put it this background. Okay, now the color, so I'm just choosing not the blue anymore, the green one, and I'm just choosing the green, yellow, or dark green something. Okay, I'm choosing this one. That's cool. Save it. Now go to the component, because absolutely we just don't need to work a lot more on ECSS. The main things are the content component and content HTML file, content TS and content HTML file. So on mouse leave, this event will work, and on mouse inner, this event will work, the event inner function. So go to the browser, and now you can see that it's working. Okay, it is working fine. You can see that. And as always, please subscribe to our channel. It will really help our channel grow. Leave a comment and we'll meet in next lesson. Till then, goodbye.